Hello my darlings, I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Another amazing adventure today. Today I'm gonna create some super easy winter decor. So let's just jump in. DIY number one, I'm using one of those rugs from Dollar Tree, buffalo plaid vinyl from Dollar Tree, made a snowflake out of it, cut it out, and now I'm putting that snowflake on top of my rug. Since this vinyl doesn't stick very well, I'm using a tacky glue with a brush all over, and I'm gonna just glue it on top of my rug. And this is gonna be a mat that I'm gonna use for outdoor, just like that. And look how pretty it came out. What do you think? Simple but cute. Today I'm a part of a winter DIY challenge hosted by amazing Heidi Snowball. And if you haven't visited her channel, please do so. I doubt you haven't been to Heidi's channel because everybody knows Heidi. And it's gonna be an amazing playlist with so many creators. DIY number two. I'm using one of those stockings from Dollar Tree and I'm gonna doll that up for outdoor. Next, I'm gluing two mop pads. I think that's how you call them, fur. I'm just calling them fur pads from Dollar Tree, so we can make our stocking look nice and fancy. And actually I'm gonna make a pillow out of this, outdoor pillow. On top I'm gluing one of my checkerboard bows that I made last year, and I'm gluing some berries, greeneries with pine cones on top. And on the bottom I just glue one wooden snowflake on the bottom, and then on top I add that berry green back. And now I'm filling out my pillow with Dollar Tree bags, and my stocking pillow, it's done. What do you think? For the next project, I'm gonna make a large snowball. So I'm using one of those large ornaments from Dollar Tree and one of those microfiber towels from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna glue that over the ornament just like that, and cutting the pieces so we can make it in a shape of a snowball. Next, I'm using this buffalo check ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna make a nice bow. I'm making a couple of loops just like that, tied with a twine, and now I'm gonna glue it on top of my snowball, and we're gonna add some greeneries on top of it. So I'm just cutting the fishtails as well. Super simple and super cute. And now I'm adding some leaves, some green branches, some pieces, some berries, some pine cone. No, I didn't add the berries. I just wanted to be the mixture of the green and the buffalo check. I just add a snowflake on top, just like that. Add a pine cone, and our snowflake for outdoor is done. What do you think? Simple and cute. DIY number four, I'm gonna make over this hat. Since this is all sparkly, and this year I'm not making too much sparkly things, I'm using this buffalo check material, also from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna cover this beautiful hat, and we're gonna make some beautiful nice pillow hat for outdoor. I made one last year, so I thought I'll make another one this year too. So I'm just, after I cut off the measurement for the head, I'm just gluing it all over just like that on the one side, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side as well. Next, guess what? I'm adding more of those mop pads on the both sides so we can have a nice furry hat pillow for outdoor as well. Cutting it off just like that, and adding a large pom-pom on the top of my head, fill it out with the Dollar Tree bags. And now I'm using this green ribbon from Dollar Tree, just like that, making a couple of loops. Super simple, easy bow, anybody can do. And when all that is done, tie it with a twine, just like that. Cut off the edges, adding a snowflake, and that's it. My outdoor third pillow with a snowball. It's done. Now, super simple. I'm making a garland. I'm using those snowmans and trees from Dollar Tree, and I'm just gonna use a twine and make a garland for my outdoor winter decor. And look at the pillow and look at the garland together with the snowflake that I made on my previous videos. For my last project, I'm making these two nice, beautiful, I would say garlands or wreaths that I'm gonna use for my lanterns that I have beside my garage. So I'm using two of them. I zip tie them so we can have more texture of the branches. I'm using this buffalo check bag, a wine bag, and I'm gonna make a bow out of it. Simple as that. I zip tie it just like that. Super simple, large bow. And I'm using one of those other green ribbons from Dollar Tree, making a smaller bow. After I glue that one loop and tie it together just like that, I'm gonna glue it on top of my large bow. And I'm gonna use those bells, black and white bells from Dollar Tree as well. Just wanted to see where it's gonna go all. I'm gonna put it on top of my garland just like that, or wreath, you can call it wreath. And I'm gonna zip tie it as well. So that's gonna be the top portion of my wreath, just like that. Next, I'm gonna glue, and also I'm gonna tie some snowflakes around my wreath, just like that. I'm adding another one on the other side as well. And next I'm adding those white popsicles, also from Dollar Tree. They're ornaments, and adding more ornaments from Dollar Tree, tying them and gluing them. And another large snowball ornament on top. And this is my second one. And here you go. And look how cute they look outside in front of my house. I tied them under my lanterns, and I'm really loving them. What do you think? Super simple and super cute and super cheap. So for less than, I can say less than $20, I made all those winter decor today on my video with Dollar Tree products, and they can look very expensive and very beautiful for the season. Let me know, what do you think? Let me know if you're gonna remake some of them. Give me your thoughts. So this Dollar Tree is magical. We can make this beautiful, expensive looking decor and nobody will know. Look at my front rug, and here is my winter pillows. Look how cute they look. I'm really loving them. The mixture with the green and the buffalo check. I am so happy. I also added the basket with the snowballs that I have made in one of my previous videos. And before you see my final reveal again, don't forget to check out Heidi's channel along with the amazing playlist with a lot of inspiration for winter. And until our next adventure, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'm sending you a lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Until next time, bye-bye. Thank you.